So here's how to make a Snapchat public profile on Snapchat. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open Snapchat and click on your profile icon on top left corner. Now click on settings on top right corner. Okay, scroll down. Under privacy control, click on contact me and here select friends and contacts. Now click on view my story and here if you have options select everyone, otherwise leave it as it is. Now click on see me in my friends and here enable this option. Now click on see my location and here disable ghost mode, and that's it. Or the other thing you have to do is, as you can see this public profile option, just click on it, type your name, add bio and add some snap to your public profile, and after that you will be live and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.